Hey Ruben, I think you are quite well. You give me some feedback from today my pronunciation. Let's start. Today I pronunciation web development front-end definition. Front-end web development refers to the practice of creating and implementing the visual and interactive elements of a website or web application that users directly interact with. It involves building the user interface (UI) and user experience (UX) components that are present in a web browser or similar client-side environment. Front-end developers work on the front end of a web application, focusing on what users see and interact with. Key aspects of front-end development include 1. HTML Hypertext Markup Language. This is the foundation of web page, defining the structure and content of the page using elements like headings, paragraphs, links, images, forms, and more. Second, CSS Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is used to control the presentation and layout of HTML elements. It handles styling aspects such as fonts, colors, spacing, and responsive design for various screen sizes. 3. JavaScript. A programming language is to add interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. It enables features like from validation, animation, handling, user interactions, and communicating with web servers thought Ajax. 4. Responsive design. Ensuring that the website looks and functions well on various devices and screen sizes, including desktops, tablets, and smartphones. 5. Frameworks and libraries. Front-end web developers often use frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, or Vue.js to streamline the deployment process and create more complex, efficient, and maintainable web application. 6. Browser compatibility. Browser compatibility. Front-end developers need to consider the differences in how various web browsers interrupt and render HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This ensures a consistent experience across different browsers. 7. Performance optimization. Optimizing front-end code for fast loading times, efficient resource usage, and smooth user interaction is crucial for a positive user experience. 8. Cross-foundation collaboration. Front-end developers often work closely with designers, backend developers, and other team members to bring the web application to life. Front-end development is essential for creating visually appealing, user-friendly, and responsive web experiments that engage users and deliver the intended content and functionality. Hey, my teacher, I think you give me your best feedback. I'm waiting for your feedback.